Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9, and this is from the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift movie, and this is number 3 in the series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Trying not to damage the card. Okay. Yeah, I got it. So here is the car. Okay, this paint job looks really beautiful, and again the headlights are painted. So the model looks really nice, casting looks really nice. So I bought this for 249 rupees. I bought the entire set actually for I think 2490 rupees if I'm not wrong. Okay, at least this one has rear view mirrors. So this is a bit heavy compared to the previous two models. So let's do a roll test. Okay, at least this one rolls really nice compared to the Nissan and Mazda. Hope you guys can see the interior here. There is not much detailing, but it is okay. See, here it says raise, in a right way, and here it's just mirrored. So the paint job is really not good. It looks really shit. I don't know about the actual car in the movie, whether it actually had everything reversed on the other side. I need to rewatch it, man. It's been years since I watched that Tokyo Drift movie. It looks okay. It is not very beautiful model or anything like that, but the casting looks good. Yeah, everything is metal. The spoiler is metal. Chassis is actually plastic, if you are wondering. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.